One Girl Scout's trying to sell you like tag-alongs, you're like, no, Thin Mints are where it's at. What's up, hackers? It's GoldieBlox, and I have some more hacks coming your way. That's what today's video is all about, some more hacks. Okay, so I had like 20 s'mores in the making of this video, so it's gonna be interesting. For our first hack, we have Peep S'more dip. Yes, yes. Ooh, it's dying. If you guys don't know what a peep is, what are you doing with your life? It's the best thing ever made. It's like a weird, like, is it like a bird? I guess it's a bird. It's a bird that's basically marshmallow dipped in sugar that has chocolate eyes. It is so good. These are normally an Easter snack. It's kind of like eggs. So, oh my gosh. It's just dripping with deliciousness. It's so good. I think I'm gonna give up hacking and this is my full-time job. For this DIY, you'll need a pie dish, Peeps, graham crackers, chocolate, and heavy whipping cream. First, pour warm cream over a layer of chocolate in the bottom of the pie dish. Now, cover with Peeps. Cook in the oven for about 10 minutes. Use your graham crackers to dip. Now, enjoy. Okay, it's just dripping. That's a whole bunch of sugar. It's like adrenaline, but not adrenaline sugar. Woo. Peeps S'more dip. For our next hack, we have a mini s'more grill. So basically, it's a mug with like sterno and like a metal grate. And it's like so cute because it's like so little. Like, you know I love everything little. And basically all you have to do is light it, pop that over it, get your marshmallow ready, and then just toast it. And then just like, I'll show you. For this DIY, you're gonna need a mesh hardware cloth, mug or pot, sterno can, lighter, skewers, and all the s'more ingredients you like. First, prep your s'mores. Then assemble the mini grill. Sterno goes in the mug, mesh goes on top. Let's light. Oh, that ignites so well. And just make sure that the sterno you're using is safe to heat over. Okay, she is lit. See the flame? We have the marshmallows, the graham crackers, and we're not basic, so we have Reese's. See, I also got some Hershey's because like the basic side of me is still in there. Okay, let's toast. I feel like I'm an old lady just like toasting my marshmallow over my mug. That just ignited so fast. It looks like a turtle shell. Yeah, she's pretty toasted. Don't burn sterno by yourself, okay? It's very flammable and the flame is obviously very strong because it burnt this so fast. So make sure you have either a parent near you or a fire extinguisher. Mine's right over there. We're okay. This is like lab 101, but like put your hair back. Okay, so she's pretty toasted. Place it like that. Squish and pull. Then you have your s'more. It's beautiful. Look at that. Let's get some like marshmallow. Ooh, oh yeah. I'm just gonna make like a lot more. Okay, stab, toast. Guys, did you know that the first time the word s'more was ever used was 1974? That's so long ago. And it was made by Girl Scouts. Oh, wow. For our last hack, we have A s'more squishy. It's super squishy. You can do that with the real s'more. I bet every single time you touch a marshmallow, you have to like squish it because it is so satisfying to squish. But you can only squish it like maybe 5 times because your heat from your hand, because you're like a living, breathing human, it like melts it and it turns into like taffy, which is delicious. But it's not sustainable. So you make this. It's like the squishiness of a marshmallow. The squishiness of a marshmallow, but it doesn't melt. Yay! For this DIY, you're gonna need makeup sponges, puff paint, and toothpicks. First, paint your different pieces using the toothpicks to help spread the paint around. Use glue to attach your pieces. Once dry, attach the eyes. Use glue to attach the pieces. Now paint on the chocolate. Finish painting the top of your cracker. Let it all dry, and squishy time. Did you know that Americans literally buy 90 million pounds of marshmallows per year? Just imagine that. That would be the best, like a ball pit, but like 10 times better. That's it for s'more hacks. I bet you guys want s'more. Comment down below what your favorite Girl Scout cookie is and what your favorite hack was. I think mine was definitely the Peeps s'more dip because Peeps are the best. You can't have too many of them because you will throw up. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe for more DIYs every Friday and Saturday. And hit the notification bell if you want to be part of the early squad. And the Wiggly Goldie Squad shout out goes to Shaylee Curtis. Oh, you're so cute. You guys are literally like the G's. A lot of love for the Goldie Squad. Thank you so much for watching. That is it. GoldieBlox signing off.